guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Neha Pandey and today I'll be showing a makeup tutorial on this makeup look right over here. This is a very classic Christmas makeup look which I have created. एंड जिनको उतना मेकअप नहीं आता है या जो बिगिनर्स हैं जो स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं मेकअप करना, दे कैन ईजिली पुल ऑफ दिस मेकअप लुक. इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल, वेरी बेसिक मेकअप लुक. आई हैव नॉट डन intricate eye thing also over here. So yeah, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so that you may get notified every single time I post a new video. And do not forget to like this, share it among your friends. So yeah, just keep watching the whole video, and yeah, without much blabbering, let's jump into the video.
First of all, I'm tying my hair back because I don't like when it disturbs me while doing my makeup. Previously, I was going for audio, but as the quality was not good, so I'm switching over to voiceover. Now I'm moisturizing my face with the Mamaearth Skin Illuminate Face Serum. It contains vitamin C and turmeric, which is absolutely great for your skin. Even oily skin girls can use it, and it gives a glow from within. And I like to lather it on my skin extremely nicely. So moisturizers are a very important part before applying makeup, as if your skin is nicely moisturized and hydrated, your makeup will last longer and will look good on your skin. Now lip balms are really important in winters because our lips tend to get dry and chappy, and to prevent them we are applying lip balm. Over here I'm applying the Lakme Lip Love lip balm in the variant Cherry. Moving on to the concealer. So the concealer which I am using today is the Maybelline New York Fit Me concealer in the shade 25 medium. Now I like to use a concealer before a foundation so that I can cut off the darkness which is there around my eye area. So I apply it nicely above my eye on my eyelid, and then I just use my fingers to blend it very nicely. What it does is it removes the darkness from my eyes, and when I apply any color on my eye, it pops out brightly. So it just neutralizes and balances the eye area and removes all the darkness which is present over there. Now taking a damp beauty blender and blending it all in so that it sets over my eye area, and look at the results. It's amazing, guys. Starting off with my eyes, I'm taking the Nykaa Smoky at 8 palette and choosing the lightest shade in the palette and applying that as a base. I'm taking the blending brush over here and applying it nicely all over my eyes so that it will act as a base color for my eye. I decided to go on with the eyeshadow first and then with my base so that it may prevent any fallouts which will happen. Taking the light brown shade on a fluffier brush, I am applying that on the crease and on the outer corner of my eye. I am restricting myself to keep the color on the crease and on the outer corner only because I am going for a warm shimmer look, so I don't want to apply the color on the lid area. Taking a deeper brown color from the same palette, I'm just going in again and defining it a bit more. I'm taking a fluffier brush and going in circular motions light-handedly so that I may not make a blunder on my eye. Just blend it nicely till the time you are satisfied with how your eye looks, and dust the brush before applying the color on your eye. You can see a close look of how my eye looks, just the way I wanted it. Taking a clean blending brush and blending it so that there are no harsh lines and it looks smooth. Taking the orange shimmer color from the same palette and applying it with my fingers. I'm just looking for a more neutral look, and I'm not going to apply it more so that it looks chunky and glittery. just it glows a little bit. That's it. That's what I'm looking for. Again, taking my clean blending brush and just blending it all in so that there are no harsh lines and there is no chunky glitter particles, and it just blends smoothly. Moving on to my base, I'm taking the Nykaa Prep Me Up primer. Now this is a silicone based primer. I'm applying it only where I have open pores, that is on my chin area, on my forehead, nose and on my cheeks a bit, and I'm just dabbing the product in the same Fit Me concealer and just concealing my under eyes so that there are no dark circles, and also a little bit where I feel I have pigmentation or pimple marks. Again, going on with my fingers first, I'm blending it all in so that my pigmentation and spots are hidden, and then I'll take a beauty blender and just blend everything in so that everything is settled at its place. Foundation in the shade 220 medium beige and Mamaearth Skin Correct face serum. I'm mixing both of them and I'm applying a bit on my face. I don't apply foundation much as I try to do much of the job with the concealers, and again I'm applying it with my fingers first and then going on with a damp beauty blender. I'm just going to blend it all in place. Do not forget to drag your foundation a little bit through to your neck so that they may look alike. The most important step in makeup is how good you blend it. If you blend it amazingly and seamlessly, your makeup will look flawless. Taking Maybelline's compact powder in the shade Coral, I'm just going to bake my under eyes and just set it all in place. I'm just taking the Swiss Beauty setting powder and just baking the area below my cheeks and nowhere else. I have already baked my under eye with the compact. Taking the Sugar Contour palette and an angled brush, I'm going to contour my face. I'm going to do a bit of contouring just below my cheeks, on my forehead and a little on my nose. Taking a fluffier brush, I'm going to dust off wherever I have baked. This is how my face looks like up close. Now I'm going on with the same fluffier brush and taking a blush and just applying it on the apple of my cheeks and a little bit on my nose. I'm applying blush really nicely because I love blushes. this beauty makeup fixer and spraying it all over my face to set my makeup in place so that it lasts long. I'll just let it soak into my skin a little bit and then go on with a beauty blender and press everything in my skin. I'm taking the highlighting shade from the same contour palette and I'm just applying it on the highest points of my face. I'm applying it a little on my cheekbone, on my brow bone, a little on my forehead just to give that glow when the light hits my face, and a little on my nose and my cupid's bow. Taking the light brown shade from the Nykaa Smoky Eye Date palette and applying it on the waterline of my eyes so as to look it a bit more defined. I'm thinking to go on for a bright red lips for this look, so I'm taking the MAC lipstick in the shade Ruby Woo. It's a very nice and a very bright red lipstick, and I'm just applying it nicely on my lips. This is the final look, you guys. I'm really happy and excited how the look has turned out. You can easily pull this off on Christmas or on the New Year's Eve. It's very comfortable and a very quick and easy makeup look. Hope you guys liked it. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.